Thank you for choosing ACutAbove Concrete Creations for your flooring remodel. Our primary goal with this project is to densify and harden the concrete, improving the longevity of the surface while creating a bright and inviting environment for all members and employees. This project on average will take 6 to 7 weeks, predicated on a customized schedule for your warehouse. When we finish your warehouse, there are no topical waxes left on the surface, leaving you with an easy to maintain floor that requires no follow up from us. When we finish your floor, we mean it. Our system is permanent without the need of costly refreshes, reapplications of waxes, and labor intensive propane burnishing. We do the job right the first time, saving you money and leaving you with a permanent polished concrete surface that is a cut above. Typically, our work will be conducted from 9 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Monday through Friday overnighters. If your warehouse requires lengthy travel, we'll schedule the project to be completed Monday through Thursday overnighters from 9 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. In order to properly plan each work night, we require the most recent inventory map blown up on a 20 by 30 inch poster board to be kept in the front office. This map will be updated every morning to plan the following night's work. The movement of product has been simplified for your convenience using the Easy Rack rollers, our exclusive steel moving devices that allow steel bays to be moved on wheels without moving product on the steel. When working through valleys, we have a tried and trusted method of moving product from underneath the steel. No upright steel will be moved when working through valleys, only pallets underneath will be moved. We require the assistance of 5 to 6 Costco employees from 9:15 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. to help move product. Please plan accordingly. The earlier the product is moved for us, the quicker we can finish and return the floor back to your warehouse in the morning. When we finish work every morning, the floor is ready for immediate use. Our areas of scope of work include olive sales floor, not underneath steel, receiving dock and baler run, dairy and produce box, break room, and the customer service area of the tire center. When completing the receiving dock, we work Sunday night into Monday morning overnighters. Please choose 2 weekends ahead of time for us to work in the receiving dock. When completing dairy and produce cooler boxes, it's required that the refrigeration system is turned off from 9 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. When completing this process, all product in the steel must be removed. Our machines will heat up the cooler boxes and will spoil the product. We require two 180-volt single-phase power drop-downs in designated locations when work is completed each night. This is required for our compressor, which powers our state-of-the-art mud hen. The mud hen converts the sediment found in our slurry into mud bricks, and the water is reused every night by our team to complete the wet cuts. No waste will into your drains. A cut above will remove all stainless plated bumpers found in your food sections. We ask that you reinstall these bumpers when work is completed every night. When working in between check stands, we require that the black grates are removed and reinstalled by Costco. A 10-yard lowboy dumpster must be placed in the parking lot near the receiving dock. We will require the assistance of a forklift driver twice a night, typically your second shift forklift driver from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. This is to transport the mud bricks from our mud hen to the dumpster in the receiving dock parking lot. All maintenance and upkeeping of the floor will be conducted within your warehouse by your maintenance personnel. All equipment should be ordered prior to our start date to ensure the maintenance process starts as soon as possible. The process should be conducted every night, beginning before the push, to ensure that we're cleaning underneath any dropped pallets. We recommend scheduling a maintenance team to work until 10:30 p.m. or 11 p.m. every night. Until we finish approximately 40% of the floor, we recommend using your walk-behind auto scrubber to clean the finished areas. Keep the brushes on your ride-on auto scrubbers during this period. Once we finish more than 40% of the warehouse, we recommend using the ride-on auto scrubber to polish and clean the floor more efficiently. Not only does our maintenance program continually harden and polish your floors, but it also densifies it with the help of our lithium-based densifier. Together, the work of our densifier, diamond pads, and your maintenance personnel, we create a permanently polished floor. There will be a slight shadowing effect in all areas that are hand ground by our repairmen. You will see a difference in color in these hand ground areas. This is due to the difference in weight from our repairmen and our 1,200-pound planetary grinders. Due to the circular shroud on our hand grinders, there will be areas that will not be accessible for our machines. These areas include, but are not limited to, the spaces in between safety poles, steel footings, areas beneath coffin cases and stand-up coolers, tight areas near baler run and in receiving dock, and steel fences within your warehouse. All expansion joints will not be ripped out and recaulked during this project. If your warehouse is in need of this service, we can complete the work, but only at your request or from our recommendation, and this will be charged as a separate line item on our proposal. Broken concrete chunks attached to expansion joints will be rebuilt and repaired. We cannot replicate the finish of areas within your warehouse, let alone replicate the finished floor of another warehouse. We leave a one of a kind surface every night that we grind and polish your floors that cannot be replicated. We will repair spalls in the floor larger than the size of a dime. There will be some holes that our foreman will recommend not opening up because they will become troublesome in the future. Hairline cracks will not be opened up and rebuilt. These cracks are typically profiled out after our work has been completed. Cracks wider than a quarter of an inch will be opened up and rebuilt. If there are yellow lines etched into your concrete in your receiving dock or interior food court, they will be profiled and removed by our process. Thank you for choosing ACutAbove Concrete Creations for your flooring remodel. We look forward to transforming your floor into something great, something inviting for all members and employees.